First, I want to show you how you can create interaction on splash screen. So this is my splash screen, and what I did was it was triggered by time. So even if the user didn't touch anything, it would be just it would just automatically move to the next screen. What does that mean? I'll show you. So it just automatically went to the next screen because here it's triggered by time. What if you want the splash screen to be triggered by tap or drag? You can set that from here. So let's see if I could, instead of time, I can change this to tap. And destination is splash screen too, in my case here. So you can change that, or you can, do this to that. Anyway, let's see how it changed. So I changed the trigger from time to tap. So now it stays, this screen stays until I tap. Then it goes to the next screen. So you can control your animation like eScene. By the way, if you don't understand eScene and eSout, eScene, eSout, look up on the internet. It's just it's eScene, eSout changes the transition to be more smooth. So you can look it up. I want the duration to be kind of a little shorter. Let's do this. And I want to put this back to time. So you can change these settings on your own. And remember, when you when you want to, when you want to add interaction, you can decide the destination here, or you can, when you are in prototype mode here, oh my gosh. Okay, when you are in prototype mode in XD, you'll see all these like blue arrow, which you can create interaction with. So again, if there's no interaction and you want to add like a brand new interaction, you can click this plus button, and I want to make the trigger to be time, and delay, I want to control it to be 1 second. Then the destination should be, oh, sorry, I undid it. Again, interaction, and then choose artboard, destination, choose artboard. And my destination is splash screen 2 in this case. So I need to select that from here. Oops. Like that.